Well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempting robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and even stealing the Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, how do you want me to bring you in? Hey, did you hear something over there? Nah, man, I didn't hear nothing. Hey, I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think? Ah, yes. Let me have a look. Go, I'll hold him off. Come on, then.
Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious.
Hurry up now, activate the doors. Hurry up now, activate the doors.
Whoa.
No, get away!
Now I've got you.
Help! Help! Listen, you've defeated my right-hand man, and you've defeated me. I surrender the airship to you.
Good work, Henry. Now just get him to us, and you'll get your life back. They're firing on us. Now we can take them down. Return fire.
You think they're alright? Pretty big fall.
I'm sure Henry had a plan. What is it?